Hey there, future real estate moguls. Welcome back to the channel where we talk all things money, investments, and living your best life. Have you ever thought about investing in a home but got stuck between two choices? Vacation homes or rental homes? Well, you're in luck, because today we're diving deep into the world of real estate and breaking down the key differences between vacation homes and rental properties. This is a conversation you won't want to miss. All right, let's kick things off by talking about vacation homes. This is the dream for many people. Imagine having your very own retreat that you can visit whenever you want. Whether it's a beach house, a mountain cabin, or a cozy cottage in the countryside, vacation homes are all about fun and relaxation. But here's the thing. Vacation homes are typically bought for personal use. Maybe you've been eyeing that beach house for years, or you've always wanted a mountain cabin to escape to on the weekends. You buy it, and then you get to enjoy it with your family and friends whenever you feel like getting away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Now, don't get me wrong, vacation homes can be a great investment too. You can rent them out when you're not using them, especially in a popular area where tourists are looking for a place to stay. But the key difference here is that it's primarily a personal property. It's your own little slice of paradise. You're not just in it for the cash flow, you're also in it for the experience. However, the financial aspect can vary greatly. Your vacation home could generate rental income, but it's not as consistent as a long-term rental. The income depends largely on demand, and you might not be able to rent it out as often as you'd like, especially in the off-season. So, if you've been dreaming about your Instagram-worthy vacation home, it's important to factor in the maintenance costs, the mortgage, the property taxes, and how much of the year you plan to actually use it. Because let's face it, owning a vacation home is about more than just lounging in a hammock. Now let's switch gears and talk about the other side of the coin, the rental home. This is the investment property where you're looking to generate consistent long-term income from tenants who pay you monthly rent. Unlike vacation homes, rental properties are typically not used for personal enjoyment. They're all about profit. Rental homes can be single-family homes, duplexes, or even multi-family buildings. You buy the property, you rent it out to tenants, and you start getting paid. It's a much more steady investment than a vacation home because your rental income is usually consistent month to month. Now, don't get me wrong, owning a rental property has its own set of challenges. You'll have to deal with finding reliable tenants, making sure the property is well maintained, and sometimes dealing with the occasional late payment or repair issue. But the upside is that rental homes can generate long-term cash flow, and over time they can appreciate in value, which is a double win. The beauty of rental homes is that they can be easier to manage, especially if you live near the property. Plus, if you've got good tenants in place, it can become a passive income stream over time. Just keep in mind the rental market can fluctuate, so it's important to know your area and what the demand looks like before jumping in. And don't forget the joys of being a landlord. You'll have to deal with things like late-night phone calls about a clogged toilet, the occasional tenant dispute, and yes, sometimes a broken fridge that has to be replaced. It's all part of the fun of being a real estate investor. Now let's compare these two investment options side by side and figure out which one is best for you. Next, let's talk about the ownership costs. Vacation homes tend to be more expensive to maintain, especially if they're in a prime location. You'll have higher property taxes, and if you're using the home yourself for part of the year, you won't always have that steady income coming in. Rental homes, while they also have upkeep costs, tend to be more cost-effective in terms of generating consistent rental income. And let's not forget the vacation vibe. If you invest in a vacation home, you've got that personal getaway ready for you at any time. You'll have a cozy place to relax, and you'll always have a home base while you explore the world. Rental homes, while they're profitable, won't give you the same "I'm on vacation every day" feeling. Then there's the time commitment. Vacation homes require management, whether that's cleaning, checking in on guests, or handling maintenance. It's more work than just letting someone live in the house for a year. Rental properties, especially if you have a good property manager, can be more hands-off after the initial setup. And of course, there's the tax situation. Vacation homes and rental properties are taxed differently. With vacation homes, if you rent it out less than 14 days a year, the income is tax-free, but if you rent it out more, it can get complicated. Rental homes, on the other hand, give you more deductions. Repairs, property taxes, and management fees can all be written off. So, which option is the best choice for you? It really depends on your goals and what kind of lifestyle you want in retirement or as an investor. If you want a steady income stream and don't mind being hands-on with a property, a rental home is probably the way to go. If you want something that's a bit more flexible and you're okay with the occasional work and seasonality of income, then a vacation home could be the better fit. Some investors even choose to do both. Imagine having that vacation home you can use for a few weeks and then renting it out during the off-season to make some extra income. It's all about finding that sweet spot. All right, now it's your turn. Which would you choose, vacation home or rental property? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And if you've already made the leap into real estate investing, share your experiences with us. We'd love to hear your stories. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with someone who might be looking to make their next big investment, and of course, subscribe for more awesome content like this. Your support really helps us reach more people and grow this channel. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, investing doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about making smart decisions that work for you. See you in the next one. Happy investing.